Indeed, our thoughts are prayers. I invite you now to take a deep breath and find a relaxing position in your seats. Forgiveness is for me. Forgiveness sets me free. As you relax your body, I invite you to relax your mind. Any thoughts that come to challenge your thinking, to remind you of some unforgiving thought or experience, just whisk them away like a billowy white cloud in a blue sky. Thoughts come and go, but you choose the thoughts that you wish to entertain. Forgiveness is for me. Forgiveness sets me free. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. And your hands gently in your lap. Relax your body down to your feet and your toes. Forgiveness is for me. Forgiveness sets me free. In the silence of my being, I am free. I am unlimited. There are no chains that bind me. In the silence. I invite you now to return your attention and your time to this present now moment, affirming in your heart that you are free. I encourage you to release and let go. Allow Spirit to run your life. To be free in the Spirit, knowing you're only here for love. The freedom of Spirit is my releasing power. I now release everything and everyone no longer part of the divine plan for my life. The freedom of Spirit is my releasing power. I now release everything and everyone no longer part of the divine plan for my life. Whatever comes up this week, if it no longer serves the highest good for me and others, I let it go. Just let it go. And so it is.
Today I affirm God's Spirit within me, at worship, at work, in struggle, in rest. God's Spirit inspires all life which is changing, from caring to faith, from broken to blessed. Just let go, just let go, just